Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of this Philips USB 3.1 flash drive, and this is an on-the-go USB Type-C and USB Type-A for all the media of your devices that is ideal for PC, Mac, tablet and smartphones. So here are all the specs of this device in various languages, and one can visit for more information the website of Philips. So let's open this card and open this packaging and check closely the USB flash drive device. Just have to peel this off and cut it open. Now this is going to be messy. Just have to open the whole cardboard here. Okay, there it is, and now we can pull out the flash drive like that. So here it is. This is a really tiny flash drive that you can use with either a PC or a Mac, and with a portable device. You can see you can switch between the two modes, the full-blown USB, and then you turn it to the USB Type-C. Then again you can turn it to the USB Type-A for any other device to transfer your files from a portable one. And this is essentially a 64GB flash drive that you can use either way, with the USB Type-A or the USB Type-C, and you can carry this one anywhere with your keychain and in your pocket. Now this is a really handy and really tiny flash drive to carry around, and this is a great purchase. This was the unboxing of the Philips flash drive. Feel free to leave us a like, subscribe, and as always from M.A.D, thank you for watching.